Example number 2. The potential difference between the points A and B in the adjoining circuit diagram will be 2 by 3 volt, 8 by 9 volt, 4 by 3 volt, 2 volt. So here we are supposed to calculate the potential difference between these 2 points A and B. So battery is connected between these 2 terminals. So all resistances are 5 ohm. So that is what is given. Now our intention is to find the potential difference between this point A and this point B. So this is the circuit given. So first we should calculate the current drawn from the battery. See, current is going from here. When it comes to this point, it splits into 2 parts. So whatever current goes this way, so this 5 ohm, 5 ohm, 5 ohm carry same current. Similarly, this 5 ohm, this 5 ohm, this 5 ohm carry same current. So this 5, 5, 5 are in series. This 5, 5, 5 are in series, and these 2 are in parallel. So this branch and this branch are in parallel. So 5, 5, 5 are in series. Effective will be 15. So this side also 15. So 15, 15 are in parallel. Effective resistance across the battery will be equal to 15 by 2 ohm. Effective resistance is 15 by 2 ohm. Then if I call I is the current drawn from the battery, then I is equal to 2 volt divided by 15 by 2, that is 4 by 15 ampere. Now another interesting thing is, see, when the current goes along this path, right, if I call it as I1 and this path as I2, clearly I1 and I2 should be equal because resistances are equal. This side also 15, this side also 15. So both the resistances are equal. So current I divides equally among I1 and I2. So they should be equal to half of I. So it should be 2 by 15 ampere. See, these things we can make out in the beginning itself. Now our intention is to find potential difference between these 2 points A and B. So I'll just redraw this circuit. So I'll start with the battery, 2 volt battery. Then after that, from the positive of the battery, I will reach this particular point. So for convenience, I will call this point as C and this point as D. Now I will redraw the circuit. So this C, which I have marked in blue, so this is point C. So from point C, one goes to A. There is one resistance, one 5 ohm resistance. Then it goes to point A. Another one goes to 5, 5 and B. So there is 5, there is 5, and then there is B. From B, there is one resistance, it goes to D. I will come back to D. Then from negative terminal of the battery, there are 2 5 ohm resistances. So I will continue from here, 5 ohm, 5 ohm, and they are connected to point D. So this is point D. Notice one thing, battery is connected between C and D, right? Now our intention is to find the potential difference between these 2 points A and B, right? Points A and B, we need to find potential difference. So this is 2 volt battery, and here the current is, just now we calculated, it is 2 by 15 ampere. Here also current is 2 by 15 ampere. Now we need to find between A and B. So we can apply KVL to get this. So VAB will be equal to, so all resistances are 5. So start from point A, so go along ACB, go along ACB, so you will get it. So 5 ohm into this, so it will be against the direction of current, it is positive. 5 into 2 by 15 against the direction of current, positive. Then when you come to this branch, then in the direction of current, negative, minus 5 into 2 by 15, then again minus 5 into 2 by 15. So that will be, so these two terms get cancelled, you will get minus 10 by 15, that is minus 2 by 3 volt. Anyways, they are asking for potential difference, so the answer should be 2 by 3 volt. This should be the answer. So that is your option A. So potential difference between A and B in the circuit is 2 by 3 volt.